Hello everyone, I'm configuring Snort as IDPS. The major goal here is to add protection over my local area network by passing all traffic or external traffic to Snort IDPS for inspection. Now I have 3 machines in all. First one here is my physical machine, and here is its IP address. Then these 2 here are virtually installed in my physical machine and they are configured. So this one is running Kali Linux, used to be my attacker machine. Here is its IP address. This 3rd machine here is running Backtrack 5 and it is my host machine where Snort is being installed to protect the network, and they are all in the same subnet. To save time, I have already configured my routes. I call them, these are my project routes. Maybe I will explain 1 or 2 of these routes to save time. Okay, let's just take maybe this number 2. Here it says alert. Alert is the main action, the action that I'm telling Snort to carry out. ICMP is the protocol Snort is targeting. Any here is the target network, and this any here again is the source port of the target network. This is the direction, the flow of the traffic. Here is the destination address. So in this case, it is my local host where Snort is installed to protect the network, and this any here is nation port of my local host. The message here is saying that Snort should log an alert if there is any ICMP connection, like ping, trying to ping the network, the internal host, and the size of that connection is more than 40, so that Snort should alert for it and then display it with this message saying large payload. Here is just the Snort ID to identify my Snort configuration. Now I'll run the test and see how Snort reacts to it. The attacker machine now, the Kali is going to ping the host machine. So let us see what happened. It's pinging it, and then let's see this is the reaction. Yes, the ping is successful because it wasn't configured to block anything, but to alert for it. Now we can see that Snort IDPS really alerted, and here we can see the ICMP, and then here is the payload message we said it should display. So Snort really alerted for it. The next thing now we'll do is to use Wireshark to analyze the packet. Our Wireshark is running, so let us see how Wireshark analyzes it. Yeah, you can see from the display, we can see our source IP address and then our destination IP address. That is the attacker IP address and then the host IP address. And here is the protocol, ICMP protocol that we're after, and the pings were completed and successful. So we have to look at the ICMP header. So we open it, we check the Internet Control Message Protocol to check if the payload was more than 40 as we told Snort to alert for. So here let's check it. Yeah, here we can see that the TCP header here is more than 40, it is 48. So with that, Snort alerted for it and Wireshark confirmed it. It's not really worked. I know I run out of time, although I still have much to say. Exclusively, the configurations are working fine, and I just tried this UDP here and the TCP, and I browsed the net and they all appeared, so I can still browse the net now. So this is the result. So everything is working. Here you can see the host IP address and the UDP, and then you can also see the TCP protocol and the port 80 to my local host. Everything looked good. I analyzed many of them with Wireshark in my report, but because of shortage of time, I will stop here now. Thank you very much.